Hey, what's up, everyone? Andrew Buckmichael here, back with your weather bucket questions. We have a bunch of questions to get to. We're going to do a lightning round. By the way, you can add your questions. Just go to my Facebook page and add your questions to this post. You can see it right at the top of my Facebook page. But let's do a lightning round. Ready, set, go. All right, here's a handful of them. Let's get to the first one here. First one coming in from Mike, asking about heat lightning. What is it? Basically, it's when you've got a thunderstorm off in the distance, but clear skies where you are. So you're able to see the thunderstorm off in the distance, but it should be called distant lightning because that thunder can't travel that entire distance because sound dissipates over a long distance. All right, next question here. We've got one from Jim. Why is it that in the heat of the summer, we haven't had much severe weather like we did in the spring? You need a constant change in temperatures. You need that dramatic shift. We haven't had it. High pressure and heat this summer has kept us pretty quiet as far as severe weather goes in central Ohio. Other parts of the country have been fairly active, but here haven't had a big change in our weather pattern. All right, another question here coming in. Is corn sweat a real thing? This one from Carol. Yes, it is a real thing. What it is evapotranspiration. All of the corn that's out in the fields across the Midwest and Ohio give off a ton of moisture in August and early September. One difference though, this year the drought in Ohio has really kept the corn a lot drier, so we didn't get it quite as much in Ohio as normal. All right, final question here. Polly asking, what are the odds of a white Christmas? Depends on what part of the country you live. Central Ohio, it only happens about 25% of the time. The farther north you live, a little better chance. The farther south you live, a lower chance. Thanks for all the weather questions. We're going to get more, so make sure to send in your questions and we'll add them to the bucket.